So we have our sock puppet almost made, but there's one slight problem, and that is that he's a little bit naked. So before, as I showed you in my design, I'm going to make a little cape for my sock puppet. So basically you want to find a little piece of material, and I'm going to show you how you can actually turn a sock into a little piece of material if you don't have anything else lying around. So I happen to have this other extra sock that doesn't have a mate, and how I'm going to get a little square piece of material is I'm basically going to cut off the leg of the sock, like so. And now we have sort of a tube, but in order to make it not a tube, basically I'm just going to cut down the side of it, and then it'll be a little flat piece of material. And so here we go. Now we have a nice little rectangle. This is going to be really easy to make into a cape. You could sew this on if you wanted your puppet to be durable, but for the sake of time and lack of sewing skills, if that is a concern for you, I'm going to just staple this on. So I'm going to put my hand in the sock just to make sure I'm not stapling two pieces together. I'm going to take my cape and just sort of line it up where I want it. And then I'm going to grab the top part of the sock like this and pinch it so that I have something to staple. And then just staple it like that, and it's attached. And do the same thing on the other side. So there you go. Now the cape is attached, and it gives the idea of clothing without having to do something really complicated.